Do you match competitors' prices? The answer is no. A lot of times what will happen is our competitors will try to undercut us and all that, but at the end of the day, all they're doing is diminishing their product. They're not necessarily getting rid of their profit. All they're doing is they're probably gonna spend less on ad spend, or they're gonna have, you'll be the 10th deal that they'll add to their BDC, right? So they have one person managing 10 pages, so the quality is just not going to be there, right? And that's how they're able to cut costs. So our costs are pretty set, they're pretty fixed. Every now and then we might run a special, but for the most part what we've done is we've created these products to where it's fair price for the client. Our company can continue to grow, and what we've done is if it has something to do with the price of the product, then we have different products for different price levels. So if your marketing budget's $15,000 a month, we have a product for you there. If your marketing budget's 10, we have a product for you there. If your marketing budget is 4, we have a product for you there. And we even are working on a product now. Well, it's not really working on a product, it's actually set to launch, where it's $2,000, and that's going to be for a 4-day event. So if you want to just try us out, that's going to be the best way to see the kind of results we can generate. And those 4-day events are phenomenal.